The world's largest vertical farm, currently located in Dubai, named Bustanica, is a massive indoor farm. This farm can produce over 1 million pounds of leafy greens annually. Bustanica uses a highly controlled indoor environment where vegetables are stacked vertically in a space-efficient way. The plants are grown without soil using hydroponics, where nutrient-rich water flows through the roots. Bustanica boasts a 95% reduction in water usage compared to outdoor farming by recycling and carefully controlling moisture levels. LED lights replace sunlight, and advanced automation manages light, temperature, and humidity, ensuring optimal growth conditions. It grows leafy greens, delivering fresh produce directly to Emirates flights and supermarkets across UAE. Additionally, it is pesticide-free, relying on sterile conditions and non-chemical growth enhancement, making it a prime example of sustainable urban agriculture.